Cool. Chapter 12, routes to get a single movie and its rating. Is what we're gonna be going over now. And Ethan is navigating my session.
Hello.
Cool. So basically, now this is very close to completing the back end. So we just added two more routes. These two routes over here, right? So in the movies route.js route file, we add these two routes /ID/:ID to get the specific ID of that movie that we want to collect, and then also here to get the ratings with the get request. So let's see how that works. So in our movies.route.js, we have these two routes. So this, please get the specific movie that we want. This gets the ratings for the movies that we want. So as soon as the get request is made to this URL endpoint, API get movie is called, and this function is in our movies controller, which is basically here. API get movie by ID, right? Yeah. And yeah, this basically gets the movie by locating its specific ID. As you can see here, it looks for the parameters. So basically what's typed at the end of the URL, which is the movie ID, and it uses the get movie by ID function from movies DAO. And this function here basically has ID as an argument over here, because we're locating the ID for that specific movie. And if there isn't a movie, then it will give this response, a 404 response, error response. If there is a movie, then it will basically give us the details of the movie in a JSON format. So let's have a look at this get movie by ID function in our movies DAO. So that's over here, and basically what this does, is gonna actually go get the movies from the database, and yeah, that's basically what this function does. And it uses the filter to filter out all the movies, and it accepts optional filters like title or rated. Gets all 20 movies at once, so all 20 movies per page. And yeah, then basically we have here this function, this route where get request is made to ratings in order to get all the ratings. So when that request is made, API get ratings is called, which is also in our movies controller. It's this last function over here, and basically it has response as a parameter. And then in the try block, it responds with property in JSON format set over here. So within property types, we have the get ratings function that is called for movies DAO. And in our movies DAO, right? Yeah, in our movies DAO, here's the get ratings function that actually gets the ratings. It does that by using this distinct method, which will get the distinct ratings individually. So it looks for all possible ratings for all movies in the movie object. So yeah, that's basically how those specific routes work. Is there anything else to add on this, Ethan?